Hey guys, I'm going to talk about some of the word problems from your study guide. Problem like this, we have Cam bought the items listed on the sign. If he was charged $42.25, which item was he charged twice for? My strategy that I would use to figure this out is I would just go ahead and add up what he should have been charged. So if he bought one of each of these, if you add $4.50 plus $12.75 plus $12.25, you would see that he should have been charged, add them all up, he should have been charged $29.50. The problem is they charged him $42.25. So, in order to figure out how much extra he was charged, you would take $42.25 and subtract what he should have paid, which was $29.50. If you do that, you're going to get that he was charged an extra $12.75. That means he was charged extra for an extra hat. So, that one's actually fairly simple. Here we have Nick opens a savings account with $50. So that's what he starts with. That's kind of important. Each week after he deposits $15. That means for every week afterwards, he puts in an extra $15. How many weeks will he have? In how many weeks will he have saved a total of $500? Well, guys, he wants $500. He's already saved $50, so let's see. He still has to save $450 more. To figure out how many weeks he needs to save, if he's saving $15 a week, I can then divide that by 15, and I will get that he needs to save for 30 more weeks. If I were to write this out in a two-step equation, which some of your problems might ask you to match a two-step equation to a situation, all right, we can talk about how you could write that as a two-step equation. He starts out, $50 is already in the checking account or savings account. Then he adds $15 every week. So that means he adds $15 and $15 and $15 and $15 and $15 and $15 and so on. An easier way to add 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 is to use multiplication instead of repeated addition. So we're going to multiply this $15 times the number of weeks he puts money in. And we know that he wants a total of $500. So this is what he started with. We know that he starts out with just $50. He's going to add $15 every week until he gets a total of $500. If you were solving your equation this way, you would subtract 50, and you would have 15 weeks is equal to $450. The opposite of multiplying would be to divide by 15. And I would have the number of weeks he needs to save is 30. So whether you're thinking about it, just thinking through the numbers logically, and you go through these steps, or whether you're someone who likes to set up an equation, either way is going to get you the same answer. Okay, if I look here at this problem about renting a car. Alright, so he rents a car for 1 day. The charge is $18 plus 12 cents per mile. If he wants to spend exactly $30, how many miles can he drive? Well, he has to pay $18 plus 12 cents for every mile. Instead of saying $18 plus 12 cents 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 and so on, we can, instead of using repeated addition, multiply 12 cents times the number of miles. We know that he wants to spend $30. So we can go through and subtract $30 minus the $18 it cost him to actually rent the car, we know that he has $12 to spend on mileage. All right, if he has $12 left and he has to pay 12 cents per mile, you can divide by 12 cents. Please make sure when you're doing stuff like this on your test that you're using your calculator and you're including your decimal point. All right. If I divide 12 divided by 12 cents or 12 hundredths, you're going to get the number of miles he can drive as 100. All right. Here, I have a jet ski company charging $35 plus $12 for each hour. If I have a total of $125 to spend, how many hours can I ride the jet ski? I have $125. It cost $30 just to take the jet ski out. So I'm going to take 30 out. And I know that I have $95 left I can spend. Okay, so if it costs me $20 for each hour, I take my $95 and divide it by 20. And I know that I could stay out for 4.75 hours. Now, assuming that you can either go out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, and they don't let you do partial hours like this would be, you would technically only be able to go out for 4 hours. Then you'd have a little bit of change left over to go get lunch or whatever it is that you want to buy. I hope that this helps. Just make sure that you're paying attention and think through these problems. If going through and writing an equation like this is difficult for you, I want you to go through and see what makes sense. So like here, when we had problems like this on our study guide, they give you an equation. This equation means a total is going to be 100. I have $14 or whatever it might be that I know I have to pay. And then I have the number 9 repeated. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Plus I have 14 just once, and that should equal 100. So if I look at like the first one, $9 or 9 dogs and 14 cats cost $100. That doesn't make sense because this 9 isn't repeated over and over and over and over and over again. I don't have 9 dogs plus 9 dogs plus 9 dogs plus 9 dogs. Doesn't make sense. The second one, he saved $14 and earned $9 each week. How many weeks will it take until he has $100? Well, I do have a total of 100, so that does match. Saved $14. Well, he seems to have only done that once, so he has the $14. And then each week he earns $9. So week 1 he has $9, then another $9, then another $9, then another $9. This is the one that matches because I have $14 once. That's a one-time thing. I have $14 to start. And then I put in $9 each week. So $14 plus $9 plus $9 plus $9 plus $9 plus $9. Remember, instead of adding 9 over and over again, it would make more sense to just multiply 9 times, in this case, the number of weeks. And then we're looking for a total of 100. So if writing these equations is difficult for you, try to think about things logically. Think about what makes sense and what does not make sense to help you solve it.